The shocking truth about your cravings: you're sitting on the couch at 9 p.m. You're not even hungry, your stomach's full, but suddenly you're thinking about chocolate, crackers, something, anything. And here's what everyone tells you: oh, your body needs magnesium, or you're craving salt because you need sodium. But that's complete BS, and I'm about to show you what's actually hijacking your brain. Hint: it's not what you think it is. If you want to stop fighting your cravings and actually understand them, smash that subscribe button. This changes everything. All right, let's dig in. Let's start with the biggest lie you've been sold. You crave chocolate because your body needs magnesium. Think about that for a second. Chocolate has some magnesium in it, sure, but you know what has way more magnesium? Spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, full of it. So if your body was actually smart enough to know it needs magnesium, you would be craving a salad topped with pumpkin seeds at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday, right? But you're not. You're craving a chocolate bar. Here's why this myth won't die. It's comforting. It makes you feel like your cravings are messages from your wise, intelligent body, like your body is trying to help you. It's not. Your body is being manipulated by 3 hidden forces, and we're about to expose all of them. Let's meet the first puppet master, your brain's reward system. When you eat chocolate, something specific happens. Chocolate is about 50% sugar and 50% fat. That ratio, it's rare in nature. In fact, the only place you find that exact combo naturally is breast milk. Your brain didn't evolve eating processed chocolate bars. So when you consume a 50-50 sugar-fat bomb, your brain's reward center, the striatum, absolutely explodes with dopamine. We're talking about a neurological fireworks show. And here's the kicker: it's not because your body needs the food, it's because the ratio is so abnormal, so concentrated, that it hijacks your dopamine system. You're not craving chocolate because you need calories or magnesium. You're craving it because your brain is being chemically tricked into thinking it just found the best food source ever. It's the same mechanism that makes sugar addictive. It's not addiction to the nutrition, it's addiction to the dopamine hit. So the real question isn't, what does my body need? The question is, what combination of foods can manipulate my reward system most effectively? And the answer is always processed foods with that magic sugar-fat ratio. But wait, there's something even more disturbing happening in your gut. Meet puppet master number 2, your gut bacteria. Here's what most people don't realize: your gut doesn't just digest food. It makes decisions about what you eat. Your bacteria are literally voting on your menu. Think of your gut like a miniature civilization. There are trillions of them, different species, different preferences. Some bacteria love carbs, some love fiber, some love sugar. And here's where it gets wild. When your gut bacteria want food, specifically the food they thrive on, they can send chemical signals directly to your brain through something called the vagus nerve. Your bacteria can literally manipulate your hunger hormones. They can change how food tastes to you. They can make you crave the specific things they need to survive. It's like you're a host and your bacteria are remote controlling your taste buds. So if you've been eating a lot of processed sugar, you've been breeding sugar-loving bacteria. And now those bacteria are sending signals to your brain saying, we need more sugar. You feel the craving and you think it's coming from you, but it's not. It's coming from your gut. That's biological manipulation. That's your own microbiome hijacking your willpower. But there's one more puppet master, and this one might actually explain your cravings right now. Meet puppet master number 3, sleep deprivation. When you don't get enough sleep, and we're talking 7 hours minimum, something crazy happens in your brain. Your body starts producing more of a chemical called 2-arachidonyl glycerol. Say that 3 times fast. I'll wait. Basically, it's an endocannabinoid. It's the same chemical family that makes cannabis users get the munchies, except you're producing it naturally just from being tired. And here's what it does. It doesn't make you hungry for broccoli. It specifically makes you crave high-calorie, high-carb snacks, chips, cookies, pizza, the stuff that gives you an instant energy boost. Studies show that when people are sleep deprived, they consume an average of 385 to 550 extra calories per day, specifically from junk food. So you're not weak-willed, you're chemically primed to seek reward. Your body is trying to compensate for the fatigue by flooding your brain with dopamine. The solution? Not willpower. Sleep. 8 hours. That's it. Your cravings will disappear. Now, before you think all cravings are lies, there is one exception. There's one craving that actually is your body sending you an SOS signal. It's ice. If you're constantly chewing ice, that's called pagophagia, and it's a legitimate medical sign of iron deficiency anemia. Here's the wild part. When you have iron deficiency, your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. You feel foggy, tired, weak. So your body discovered a hack. Chewing ice forces more blood to rush to your brain. It's a biological workaround to stay alert. But it's also a red flag. If you're craving ice, you need to see a doctor and get a ferritin test. This is the one time your body is actually screaming for help. Every other craving, mostly psychological, microbial, or sleep-related. Just not ice. So how do you know what's really going on when you get a craving? Use the HALT method. When a craving hit, ask yourself, am I hungry, angry or stressed, lonely or bored, tired? Let's break it down. If you're hungry, actually eat. You might just be hungry. If you're angry or stressed, your body is dumping glucose into your bloodstream for fight or flight. You want to replenish it. But the solution isn't food. It's to breathe, move, go for a walk. Your cortisol will regulate and the craving disappears. If you're lonely or bored, you're seeking dopamine. Your brain wants a reward. The solution? Not food. Do something that gives you actual pleasure. Call a friend, watch something funny, play a game. If you're tired, all bets are off. Your endocannabinoid system is hijacked. Either sleep or accept that you're going to want junk food. There's no willpower solution here. And here's my favorite one. If you're mistaking thirst for hunger, this is real. Your hypothalamus, the part of your brain that controls hunger and thirst, sometimes gets its wires crossed. You think you're hungry, but you're just dehydrated. Drink a big glass of water. Wait 15 minutes. If the hunger goes away, you were thirsty the whole time. Here's what really messes with people. Understanding that your cravings aren't coming from you. They're coming from your bacteria, your dopamine system, your fatigue. It's weirdly liberating. Because here's the thing. If your cravings are being hijacked by these external forces, then willpower was never going to work anyway. You were fighting an unwinnable battle. The real solution is to change the system. Sleep more. Reduce sugar so you're not breeding sugar-loving bacteria. Move your body to boost your own dopamine naturally. Drink more water. Once you fix these systems, the cravings don't disappear because you're disciplined. They disappear because the puppet masters lose their grip. This is why diets fail. People think they need more willpower, but they actually need more sleep, better bacteria, and better dopamine management. Willpower is irrelevant. So the next time you get a craving, don't ask, what do I need? Ask, am I being manipulated right now? Because the answer is almost always yes. And once you know that, you can actually do something about it. If this blew your mind, please share this with someone you know who's constantly fighting their cravings. They need to hear this. Hit that subscribe button if you want more science-backed insights that actually change how you see your body. And let me know in the comments, what's your weirdest craving? I'm genuinely curious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.